Mike, how many years you been driving a truck?
Ever since I was 18.
I love it.
I'm
love
65.
it. Oh man, I was gonna say that's been like 6 or 7 years.
Yeah,
or something.
I just started last week.
Right, I love it. I love it, man. Hey, I'm digging the rig. How long you been driving the Triumph barbecue truck?
2 years.
2 years?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Where's home to you, Mike?
Home is a little town of Whitesboro, Texas.
Okay, they
Up
got
on Highway 82.
This is a barbecue rig, guys. Check it out. He's pulling a big kitchen, basically. Is that told
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Basically, a big barbecue kitchen.
Barbecue kitchen, cookers, and all.
So, what's your favorite food?
Red meat.
Come on, he's digging the barbecue.